Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here, and today I want to show you how you can sort and filter your data according to color. Now, if you look in the middle of our screen, I have column D that's got some text that I've flagged with specific conditional formatting rules. Also in the middle of my screen in column F, you will notice that there is a heat map of background color to my text for the different values via conditional formatting. So if you go to the top left of your screen and you go to the data menu, there's the sort option, but there is no sort by color. So how do you get to it? Easy peasy. In the upper right of your screen in your toolbar, you'll see the filter icon, or what you can do is grab your data, go to the data menu, click on create filter, go to the filter you want to look at, in this case our column D. Up at the top, you'll see the sort by, but then just below that, you'll see sort by color and filter by color. Notice the fill color is not available, and that's because I've only got text that is colored here. So if I go sort or filter, the text color of red and black options is available. If I go to my F column, if I select on that filter, down below the sort options, you'll see sort by color and filter by color. Once again, we have the options to do fill color and text color because we have a fill color this time, not just text. If we go into the fill color, you'll see each of the different colors that is there in my conditional formatting that I can pick and select from. So that is a quick way that you can sort your different values or things that need to be flagged out by color via conditional formatting and filters. Until we meet again another day, another time, another tip, trick, or hack. This is Gary the Google Guy, signing off.